Picture this. The music's bumping. The club is jumping from the windows to the wall. The DJ is on fire, but you notice the fire exits aren't clearly marked. Now that's a potential disaster waiting to happen. In commercial real estate, fire and safety regulations are the unsung heroes that keep the party going safely, ensuring everyone knows the escape routes when things get heated up. For real. I'm Amit Grover with ECMP Studios, and today we're going to dive into the critical world of fire and safety regulations in commercial properties. It's about more than just having a fire extinguisher on hand. It's about comprehensive planning and execution to ensure safety in every corner. Fire and safety regulations encompass a variety of measures designed to protect properties and their occupants. These include the installation of smoke alarms, fire suppression systems, proper signage, and routine safety drills. Each component works together like a well-orchestrated symphony, ensuring that if a fire breaks out, the situation is managed swiftly and effectively. Now, why is this crucial for your business? Compliance with these regulations not only helps prevent potential tragedies, but also shields your investment from the high costs associated with fire damage. Moreover, adhering to these standards can significantly enhance your property's appeal to prospective tenants who prioritize safety. Let's explore the key elements. Number 1, smoke alarms and fire suppression systems. These are your first line of defense, like the bouncers at a club. They detect trouble early and take immediate action to keep everyone safe. Emergency signage and lighting are number 2. Just as a club needs clear signs to the exits, your property must have unambiguous signage that can guide people to safety even in chaotic situations. Number 3, safety drills. Regular drills are like sound checks before a big concert. They ensure that if the real thing happens, everyone knows their part and, more importantly, can perform it without hesitation. If you have specific questions about how to implement these safety measures in your property, or if you need advice on compliance, remember to consult with a fire safety professional. For general inquiries, feel free to comment below or contact us at ECMP. Next time, we will shift our focus to urban planning and development. If fire and safety regulations kept your building safe, urban planning ensures it fits perfectly within the city's broader landscape. So, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Engage with us, share your experiences, and let's enhance our safety knowledge together. And remember, let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay